Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We're up to, what are we up to? Oh gosh, I'm losing count. We're up to day 11. It's day 11. I haven't lost count at all. Look, there's a big heart over the 11. And Olivia is here to help open it up. In fact, I'm pretty sure the girls have learnt not to try and stamp their way into the doors because that didn't end so well. Oh, God, look at this. What is that? Actually, I'm not quite sure what that is. Let's just get it out and we'll build it and then we'll see what it is. Good tugging, Olivia. Well done. All right, off to the building table. Let's get it open. Lots of really nice purple pieces in here. If you saw my, if you saw Emma's toddler's room build, you will know that I'm running very low on purple pieces. So I'm always happy to see some more purple pieces, even though these ones keep trying to roll away. Come on, Olivia, stand up, stop lying down on the job. Let's find out what we're doing here. So these ones go on the base, so they make a square. And we got, more window pieces. Yes, love window pieces. Okay, so we get to put window pieces on opposite sides here. And another one goes on the back. Let's put this in the middle first. So this is it's a little candle. Oh, it's a little tea light, a candle in a glass. Well, it's not glass, obviously, but like a glass lantern. It's a lantern. It's just lovely. So we're alternating these two as well. We'll put this over here, put our little pattern of the purple, golden purple. Oh, this is just so pretty. I bet Emma would like this one because it's purple. And to put the top on and to put the last window in, there's special little instructions on the picture. So we need to build the top first and put this little bit of greenery in here. More purple on the top, put our hanging bit there, attach the window, and then it all goes together as pretty as pie. That is so sweet. That's a gorgeous little build. These builds are so creative. All right, Olivia, take it away. Let's hang it up on the tree. There's a likely spot right near a Lego stocking. Let's put it on. There we go. The Christmas tree is going to look so good. All right, that's door number 11 gone. Oh, it's all going too quickly. All right, I'll see you here tomorrow for door number 12. Same time, same place. See you here. Bye.